Hi, my name is Roman. I work for Great Western Buildings, and I'm going to show you how to shorten a cable. Typically, they do come the correct length, but in that occasion that it is not, what you're first going to do is I like to bend this very bottom of it. That way you don't pinch yourself and it's easier to do it. Then you're just going to push that right over. Real simple. There's also going to be a shorter one right here, and then you can get it underneath. If not, you're just going to try to push it. There we go. And you get that going, get it all the way off. And then it'll come up a little messed up, but all you have to do is get it back to normal and then start to retwist everything again. Real simple. Then for this one, you're going to do the same thing. You take off the eye bolt. You're going to undo it. Going to bend it. And then slowly get it off. Like so. There we go. All right, then you rewrap it so it'll go back to normal. And then when you are ready to put it back on, you grab the end of the cable. Well, first when you're going to shorten it, let's say you gotta shorten it 2 feet. You're gonna only do 2 feet off of one side instead of 1 foot on one side and the other. This way it saves you a lot of time and hassle. You take the end of the cable. You have a color on the cable brace right here. This one's gonna be yellow. There can be different colors. And you try to get that end of the cable into just where that middle of the color is. You can use a clamp to get it on there, so that way you don't have to try to pinch it and exert yourself. And then you just twist it right back on the way it was before, all the way down. Be sure not to pinch yourself because that hurts. And then grab the eye bolt, slide it all the way up into the very end of it. And then I like to step on it because it makes it a little easier. And make sure to come around it. And then do big turns all the way through. All the way down here. Don't pinch yourself again because it hurts. And then you're done. That's the way to shorten a cable.